today is the unboxing and starting to set up my new iPhone. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you guys everything because I don't know if my iPad will film it and I need to use my old phone to set this up. So I just want to show you what it looks like, and this is the satisfying part.
Oops.
I love that part. That's like so satisfying. I also think I need to charge this. Maybe. I gotta go figure this out, and I'll see you guys soon. I'm back. So, I have this charging here. I'm gonna start setting it up, and then I'll do the SD card last. So, I probably could be screen recording this, but I don't know how to figure that out. Oh, I need to get to the password. Okay, I'm joining the Wi-Fi right now. I think I accidentally capitalized it. Yeah, so I'm connected now. It's saying it might take a few minutes to activate. So I'm just gonna wait here till that. Oh wait, no, it's going. Oh gosh. I'm not a tech person, so this is gonna be like a little informational video for you and me. Okay, I'm like download because that's just easy. I think I have to find it in here. Maybe. And I might be right back. I just did my Face ID, and I have to figure out if I want to how to transfer everything. I'm gonna my iPad on video, but it will let me watch a YouTube video. That's what I was trying to get at. So I watched this YouTube video and a while ago, but this girl was setting up her iPhone 12, so it helped me. I think it's transferred directly from iPhone. I did that with my iPad, so I'm gonna do that, just make sure. So. I didn't show you guys what else was in here. It has the charger, the chip. Is there a sticker in here? The girl had a sticker that I'm watching. There is a sticker. So big. She did like the setup manually and it connected like that. My thing didn't do that. It's so weird. So now everything looks the same that we did. Why can't it say my name? Alright, it's just setting up now. Do you like my iOS 14 background? I wanted to film a video on that, but then I got sick, so yeah. It's just gonna set up, so I'm just gonna wait. And if you didn't hear me before, I was looking at, I lost it again. Why do I keep losing the sticker? The sticker, I love the sticker. See, this is such a cute sticker. I wonder if there's been a sticker in every one of the boxes I got. I just never found it. Well, now I do, and once I get the case for my new computer, I'm gonna put this sticker on it. I think that's such an old trend, but I don't care. Agree to terms, conditions. And this is the thing to take out my SIM card. These instructions, but instructions sometimes confuse me. So, and this is the charger. This is such a weird charger though. I think it'll work for this cord. Settings from your other iPhone. The following settings can be transferred from Elise's iPhone, and you can customize them individually. I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna save my case for last, but you might have seen it before. Set up later in wallet. I don't use Apple Pay anyway, so. Yeah, I want to continue with my Apple Watch. Keep everything safe in iCloud. Okay, so it's just preparing for transfer, and this is what my old phone looks like right now. It's just still loading. I want to see if this charger right here works with this charger, because see, this is the same kind. This thing right here is the same thing. So I want to see if it works. Yeah, it works. Wait. Oh no, that's just because it's out. Oh yeah, it works. The blue light turns on. So that's good. I love it. It's not a long charger, but it just, I like it. I like the circle. It's just like, you always get like the Apple chargers, like those blocks. I don't know. Did this stop? I don't know. My phone just, both of my phones just shut off. And my phone's not doing any of that loading anymore, so. can't wait to see the video quality. It's probably gonna be so much better than the 8 video quality. And this is gonna take a while, so I'll be back with you when it finishes. Peace. He loves me. He hates being part of the video. I stole some candy canes from my stocking. If you didn't see my old, good. I didn't show you guys though.
Did everything go over?
Oh wait, I'm not.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's just transferring. So I'll show you guys. But my old iOS on this phone, I'm probably gonna have to redo it on this one, but it had candy canes as the background because I love candy canes. Where's Teddy?
He's watching me at work.
Hey guys, so I went to look to see if it updated, and I was surprised. So it's transfer complete on here, it says, and I went to look on here, and look, that was the same background my old thing. So I was oh my gosh, all my, okay, they did go through all my iOS things went through. Except for these, but these I wouldn't say are that important. Besides that Foodnit app that I use for editing my videos. Also, that was the candy cane background I was talking about. But everything went through besides my pictures I was on. But I'm so happy. Anyway, that it went through. Alright, well let's see what photos I have. Oh! All my photos went through, Mom. Good. Through that transfer. Alright, yes. Alright, now I just have to put my SIM card into this. I don't know how to do that. I'm gonna have to figure this out. So, I'll show you guys everything when I get the SIM card in. Because I think the SIM card like lets me. Oh, it's not all my messages are downloading now, but the SIM card lets me. Just has everything, I guess. So I'm going to transfer that SIM card in. And I'll be with you guys after I do that. And I'll show you guys my case. So yeah. Hey guys, so my phone's set up and all my stuff's on here. I got my SIM card on here. I was on Snapchat. We're all good. So this is the color. Yes, I chose white because it's simple, and the case I'm gonna have on I love. And when I say you saw it before, because I'll do the review right now. This case you saw, it's this one. This is the case you saw it before because my iPad has this same case, and I love this case. So I love that my iPad and my phone can match now. So we're gonna put this on. This might ruin my nails, so I'm scared. No, this beautiful nail cracked. Oh, I love this nail polish. Oh gosh. Okay, so this goes like this. Does it go like this? Oh my gosh, I can't figure this out. There's a quick take thing? So cool. Why is that always like that so satisfying? Okay. I love this case. Like, look, it's so pretty. And it matches this. If I didn't mention this before, I did get the mini. Because I like the mini. And It's easy. And it's the same size as my old phone too. So the minis are easier for me because I have a tendency to drop my phone. So yeah, that's my phone. And I'll show you guys in another video my iOS. I'll show you guys my other thing is still here, so I'll show you guys this one. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna screen record this one. So this is my background for the first page. And then just the second page, this is my background, my pictures, and then this is the third page. And fourth just has that. I never put an icon on it, which I should do, but when I update it and do everything, I'll do that. But that's my iOS 14 on this phone, my Christmas one. And yeah, I love it. That's my phone. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll do shout outs. Hold on. It's so weird. I am used to having it all set up on my Instagram, and now it's so quack quack. My friends text me. So much, and yeah, peace out. Thank you guys so much for watching and follow and subscribing and follow my Instagrams. Love you guys so much. Have a very merry Christmas, or however you celebrate. Happy holidays. It's getting loud.